Hello everyone, welcome here. Getting started. ASP.NET Core MVC course with the full real world project we are going to initiating. Myself, Sekhar Metla, I am the software industry expert from past 2 decades. I have worked with different online and offline real world projects with the help of to share these knowledge to many students who are very much pretty interested to learn in real world example exercises. See, welcome here. Use this online tutorial to speed up and slow down videos for complete program. Learn at any time from anywhere using internet connected mobile or computer system. Make sure to use of practical exercises to learn real world concepts hands-on sessions. Check with your knowledge using documents. For instance, quick help, Google or Stack Overflow search engine techniques. Submit your questions on Ask QA forums for detail what you have tried with screenshot of error code what you have practiced. How to approach the course? Best way to approach the course is review videos with your practical hands-on sessions. Follow the video guides with notebook extra information for practice. Review certain information by reading examples the parts of video sessions. Coding exercises and solutions. You will be assigned a simple coding exercise of what course journey and to be tested your skill level, which is based on your previous lecture. Anyhow, you will be guided the solution for this coding exercise. Thank you.